the techniques item. For example, in English, I'm starting the grammar. Now I'm starting, okay? My, your, his, her, their, are, okay? This is there. We don't know what is the name in English. In French, the name is, there is a name, it's called adjective possessive. Les adjective possessive. Les adjective possessive. In English, only my, that's it. But in Hindi, we have mera, meri, mere. The same way in French we have. It is not there in English. It is there in Telugu, but in Hindi it's there. I found it. Mera, meri, mere. In French, mo, ma, me. See, very easy, simple to learn. That way we have to learn. Adjective possessive, the people will get a lot of confusion in that. But if you are aware of Hindi, basic grammar, no need to learn fluently, no need to have skills in the Hindi. Just if you have basic level, that's also fine. No problem. Mera, meri, mere, mo, ma, me, like that. Okay. For example, I will do one word. My house, my house. That's it. Our next to my houses. Okay. But in French, ma maison, me maison, like that. Ma maison, me maison. We have to say that singular different and plural different in French. That is the difference. That's it. Except that the language will be very easier. We have to focus on the masculine and singular to plural. I told you, no, ma maison, my house. My houses in English. Me maison. Me maison means my houses. Me maison, like that. Simple. The pronunciation is very important in French. That's it. Okay. And the same way, and we can learn some words. Okay. Regularly, whatever we use. French. In French, français, French, français. English, anglais. Right, okay. We have one thing in Telugu, no? Telugu, and even Hindi, Angrez, okay. In Telugu, we can say Angleyulu, right? Angleyulu, Angleyulu. The best Telugu word. In French also, Anglais. That's it. Anglais, Anglais. Right? And some other words. See, our kneecap in English, just okay, it's kneecap. But we can compare. In French, it is called genou. In Sanskrit, it's called genou. In French also, genou. Genou, genou. Okay, genou, genou. So we have to follow the linguistics also, so that you can learn pronunciation very clearly. That is very important. Learning grammar, it's not okay. Learning grammar, everyone can learn, but when to use, how to use, okay, the tenses, okay, they are very, very important. And I see in the textbooks, in the grammar books, the tenses are different places, and we will be forgetting. But my teaching is different. I teach all the tenses step by step. So, for example, I do, I am doing, right? I will do, I will be doing, I did. Okay, that way we have to learn. That's why we give a name fast for fast learners. Speed French. That's it. Like a robo, but very fast we can learn. But for that we have to be alert in that. Not like Telugu grammar. Because we know Telugu, for example, our mother tongue. See, never compare the French grammar with the mother tongue. Because we use it at home, so that will be easier. But this French we use only in the class. We may not have friends, no. So we have to be alert in that, very, very alert in the class to learn French very faster. See, if you want to learn French fluently, it takes minimum 1.5 years. But here we can finish if you are really serious in that within 45 hours we can learn. I can give assurance. So many people learned. My students are now studying in London. They are very happy that my notes will be like that, different notes. I don't want to teach a boring way. See, it's very interested. I will give one topic. You can make nine more sentences from that. So that is the practice. Definitely. So and grammar, okay. See, if you learn the grammar will come. What I'm saying is learn the language. People are saying, you can see in Hyderabad and somewhere else. Okay? We have to learn the grammar. Okay, grammar is for writing, not for speaking. So you can manage the grammar if you are fluent in the language. Okay, so the pronunciation is very important. For that, listening skills should be improved. So this is short-term course, no? So we have to learn very, very fast. Okay, and we have to follow. We have to be alert in that. Okay, and writing skills. The writing it is your choice because okay, in the writing skills, okay, listening is speaking. If you're okay, the third step, reading, very easier. If you are perfect in the reading skills, then the writing will not be harder because alphabets only. For example, A to Z only. French means don't worry. It's like a Chinese, Japanese, not like that. When English words only, English alphabets only. Okay. I'm just listen carefully how to pronounce that alphabets of French. A, B, C, D. Okay, see, A will be A, B will become B, C, say. Okay, D will become. They don't pronounce D, D. Okay, so that's called they, like Arab language. Okay, like that. They don't pronounce T. Okay, T. For example, tea is there. We drink tea in the evening. That is in French, te, like that. Okay, so D, they. Next E, A, F, J. So see, G will become J. Okay, G, Ash, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. See, T will become T. R, okay, R, S, T, U, W, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, Z will become Z. Okay, the pronunciation. No need to worry about the alphabets. No need to practice days. Okay, just whatever you listen, that's enough. I can teach you the techniques how to pronounce the words. I made some table for that. That's very, very simple one. I will explain how to pronounce that words fluently. Okay, first of all, I'm saying we have to learn Indian French. I can teach Indian French only. Indian French means that's it. First of all, our style is different and the French wala. So their style is different. They can't talk like this. For example, Telugu, they can't speak like that. No, and same way, don't worry about the style. Definitely, you will be perfect in the next levels. Okay, first of all, we have to focus on the grammar and pronunciation, perfect pronunciation. Stylish language, this is the French is stylish language, but the style will be later. First of all, we have to focus on the grammar, that is important, and pronunciation. Okay, and I told you tenses are very important. Okay, tenses, no more confusions in the tenses. Definitely, whatever it is there in English, I will teach that way only. Then you can compare to English, and you can learn. You can make sentences yourself. That is very important. So you have to make the sentences yourself. You have to read the sentences yourself. You have to make some essays also, your own. Definitely, I can help you to tell about you. I can tell you to describe the things. And you have to tell about your past, present, and future. So we need tenses, no? if you follow the book, one book for simple present only. The next book for future simple, past composite together, and perfect means past continuous, like that. Okay, so not like that. No more confusion in that. Don't worry. Everything will be taught in this short-term course only. But whatever you have to do is you have to practice yourself. Just for example, I will give one sentence. For example, je parle français. Okay, je parle français means I speak French. I speak French. Je means I. Okay, now I am telling some subjects. Okay, just to say with me. If you, I can't listen to you, but just say with me. I am saying the subjects. Les from sujet. Okay, I am starting now. Say, repeat after me. Ja, ja. Tu means you. Tu. He means il. She. Elle. We both are, okay, all of you are here, no? So nous, and I'm saying all of you, vous, and some masculine group is there, some persons are there, they all are males. You can say il, feminine group, elle. That's it. Okay, I'm saying once again, I'm saying the subjects. Okay, I, you, he, she, we, you, they. But here I told you, no, masculine and feminine, and singular and plural. Plural, we have to find the differentiation. That is very important. Except that, if you are able to find that, French is very easy. Very, very easy. First, we have to focus on the masculine and feminine. We have to divide, because the French people give respect for everything. They give division. Masculine different, feminine different. For example, I'll say maison, the house. Okay, maison. So that is feminine. Maison is feminine. And pen is there, no? Pen. The pen, that's masculine. Stylo, the masculine. Okay. Don't worry about. I'm saying if I'm saying all of them half means I'm just introducing them. Okay. I'm saying to focus on the pronunciation and masculine, feminine differentiation. We have to find easily that thing, and tenses, listening skills. If you are okay with this, if you are able to focus on this, definitely you can learn French very, very fast. Because I proved it. So many students learned. Now they are not students actually. They are doctors, okay, and they are facilitators now. They are teaching equally to me. Means you see, you're all are just students like you, but for you that will be helpful in future. In future, definitely you can remember me. We learned the French very faster, and these days it is helping us definitely. So many students told me, don't worry about this demo. Okay, you can see the difference in the classes, because I can tell the language perfectly, but I can't tell about the language. Okay, I know how to teach the language, but I don't know how I am teaching. You have to find. Okay, you will be definitely loving the language, because it's a 10 years experience. While I was learning only, I started teaching, because we have to learn as well as we have to teach. Yes, we have to teach to our friends, means just casually, and we have to teach the LKG, UKG students. So for them, we have to teach. Means basic level, junior level are there, at 0 level. I can search that book names also. I will be showing in the classes also what type of books we have to follow. Otherwise, I will be giving the notes also, no problem. My notes will be very clear comparing to all the books. You can, first of all, I have been saying the same thing since 2010. Forget about the books. Nothing is there in the books. Everything is in our knowledge. The language is in our knowledge. The philosophy is in our knowledge, not in the books. Books are written by the human being. So the language is the knowledge. That's it. It is in the knowledge. So everyone can learn the language very fast. Don't worry about that. I can teach you very easy way. Serial wise. First of all, I teach you some words, masculine words, okay, feminine words with articles. And I want to say something. Articles. We can say. Same names are there. Article. But in French, les articles. In English, the articles. Okay. In the in English, we have only a and the. Okay, right? And some. But in French, we have 7. But don't worry about that. I can give you an easy way how to divide them and how to use masculine, feminine, singular, plural. I told you, that will be continuing. Don't worry about that. Singular, plural, masculine, feminine. Okay, and I can teach you formal language, informal language, right? In Hindi also it's there. In English it's not there. In English I know I can say clearly. In English we can't say it is formal language or informal language. You, what is you? You means even if you talk to elders also you, even a small baby also you. But in Hindi, in Telugu, in our mother tongue, and in French it's there. If we talk a small boy, two in Hindi. The elders we can say tu or tum, up. Here as same in French, tu, vous. Okay, tu, vous. So most of the listeners know Hindi, at least basic level. No need to learn advanced level, just basic level like this. Mera, meri, tera, teri, aapka, aapki, uska, uski. If you know that one, I will be telling apart from that also. For example, I told you, tu, aap. I'll say tu, vu. Like that I will be telling. No need to worry about that. So I am also not perfect in Hindi, but I know basic level because I need Hindi to teach French very well. So that's why I focused on Hindi also. So for my French, I was focusing on Hindi. Really, I before learning French, I did not know Hindi very well. Even English also. I can say you can be perfect in even English also. You are perfect in English, I know that. But you can get the names also. Like adjective possessive, adjective demonstrative, and adjective antaragati, like that. And same, it will be there in English also, but we don't know the names. So everything with the name I will be teaching. So that will be in your mind. So the language should be in your mind first of all, not on the papers. Have you done homework? Did you do homework? Not like that. First of all, we are talking every day. We are talking each other. So the language, you have to feel the language. Never feel I am learning some subject. That in your lifetime you can't learn the language. If you language, I am learning the language, so I am feeling the language. You have to talk yourself. You can stand in front of the mirror. You can talk. For example, je parle français. I told you, I speak French. Je parle français. Je and I parle, speak French. Je parle français. Right? You speak French. Informal. I'm saying just the person who is my student. I'm talking to my student. I can say informal. Tu parles français? Je parle français. Tu parles français? See? Next. And elder. He's okay. My professor is there. I'm asking, Monsieur, okay, vous parlez français? Je parle français. Tu parles français? Vous parlez français? Like that. Parler. We change. Okay. Next. How to learn the tenses. But different verbs will be there. How can we remember? I will give you the list of the verbs. Okay, I will giving some. There are thousands of verbs are there. How can we remember? I'll be giving some formulas. Then you can apply for every verb. So that will be in your mind, not on the papers. Okay, not on the books. Okay, that will be in the mind. So that's why I'm saying we can practice. Let's discuss. Let's learn the language. I'm teaching, you are listening, not like that. Let's discuss together in next level. You'll be enjoying the language, because the French is, in the French also there is philosophy. I think Indian philosophy is a higher level, and a Greek philosophy, German philosophy, and the best philosophy is French philosophy. There are 4 philosophies. In that, Indian philosophy is the best one. Next, Greek, French, and German. They follow us. They follow Indians only.